Hello guys, welcome channel Gadget Pro. Would you pay just $799 for a fan silent AI powered Surface that's lighter than a MacBook Air into the Surface Pro 12? It might just be your next comfy sidekick. Don't skip this video till then. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. The skinny and portable compact 12-inch 90 Hz refreshed pixel sense display, with only 1.5 IB perfect for cruising in your backpack. Feels like a tablet with laptop power. Lighter than Pro 30, build still pack a punch without the bulk. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus totally fanless. And whispers quit wait. Delivers smooth office browsing and note-taking performance. Unlike noisy fan load laptops, this thing is a library quit. Build as up Copilot Plus PC supports AI features like Real Click to Do, Studio effects and more. Make class note searchable snap of photos and extract as text product code unlocked. Start at $799 with 6GB RAM and 256GB storage. Still all our package speeds similar iPad and tablets. Might be smarter to snag last year's Pro 11. On deals, it's got more cores, OLED screen and charger include. Portable and stylish fits in one hand, silk and matte colors. Quick and efficient fanless Snapdragon X Plus sips power. AI ready Copilot Plus features enhance student life. Buckle up for extra budget in 4 keyboards and power back. Surface Pro 12 versus Surface Pro 11. Pro 12 lighter, similar, smaller, cheaper but lower rise screen and fewer cores. Pro 11 bigger price packed with more punch and extras in the box. So if you are after a stick, light AI in build Windows laptop or school or work, the Pro 12 is a killer. Pick just a reminder the extras. But if your power and full kit matter more, which one would you pick? The ultra portable fanless Pro 12 or the more BPOA Pro 11 with all the extras? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want more gadget reviews and updates, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more online gadget videos.